Hey everyone, it's Hunter with Aquaterra Outdoors. I'm now going to show you how to put the equipment back together after you have successfully winterized it. So we'll start with the heater. We took our drain plug out on the manifold. Just start putting it back together. Drain plug right here. 2 drain plugs here. Put the top back on the chlorinator. We're going to put Going to move on to our drain plugs to this pump. 2 of them. Now you want to make sure you close this back. And now we need to go back to the board, give ourselves power again, so turn our breakers back on. And we need to position our actuators back into the correct position so everything can flow properly. So we just want to shut that back off. Shut this one back off. So we're turning the spas back off. Now, after you've got yourself power, you've switched your valves back into the correct positions, we need to reprime our pumps. So just get a hose, bucket of water. You've drained all the water out of the plumbing, so you need to replenish it with water. It is a hydraulic pump. It is meant to suck water, not air. So I just got a hose or a bucket of water, refilling it. You may have to do this multiple times. Maybe a little bit easier if you get the hose over here and just set it in there. Filled it up with water. Turn it back on and make sure that the pump does eventually start to pull water and not air. And now you have successfully put your equipment back together.